Figma versus Adobe XD. Which is better? Platform compatibility. Figma, web-based, works on any OS, Windows, macOS, Linux. Adobe XD, desktop applications for Windows and Mac OS. Collaboration. Figma, real-time collaboration, multiple users can work simultaneously. Adobe XD, code editing, live collaboration features. Prototyping. Figma, yes, interactive prototypes. Adobe XD, yes, with interactive transitions. Vector editing. Figma, yes, robust vector editing capabilities. Adobe XD, yes, supports vector graphics. UI components. Figma, components and design system support. Adobe XD, repeat grid for quick design repetition. Plugins and integrations. Figma, auto layout for responsive designs. Adobe XD, Adobe Creative Cloud integration. Theme libraries. Figma, yes, shared component libraries for content design. Adobe XD, yes, supports shared assets and libraries. Asset management. Figma, design assets can be easily managed and shared. Adobe XD, libraries for managing and sharing assets. Offline access. Figma, requires an internet connection for real-time collaboration. Adobe XD, works offline except for collaborative features. Version history. Figma, yes, supports version history and design iteration. Adobe XD, yes, version history for project tracking. User interface. Figma, modern intuitive interface. Adobe XD, modern intuitive interface. Animations. Figma, limited, mainly focused on transitions. Adobe XD, supports micro interactions and animations. User testing. Figma, prototyping tools for user testing. Adobe XD, integration with third-party user testing tools. Export options. Figma, various export options for assets, code, and specs. Adobe XD, export to various formats including SVG, PNG, and more. Price. Figma, freemium model with a free and paid plans. Adobe XD, subscription-based pricing with a free starter plan. Learning curve. Figma, generally considered user-friendly. Adobe XD, user-friendly with Adobe interface familiarity.